We'll guide you through how to remove write protection and read only from a microSD card. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because you can't go and format it and you can't go and add files to it. So we'll guide you through how you can fix it. First of all, go and look at it. When it's plugged into an SD card adapter, make sure the switch is not set to lock. If it is, you can go and slide it up and hopefully that solves it. If it doesn't, connect it to your computer. Open up your file explorer. What you can do is find this PC to the left and you can see it here. Then press search at the bottom, type in CMD or command prompt. Right click on it and press run as administrator. You'll get a pop-up and you need to go and press yes. Now you want to go and type in disk part. Here you then want to go and type in list space disk. Identify the disk by the size and you can then go and select it by typing in select disk and then the number. Now you want to go and type in attributes space disk space clear space read only like so, and then that will remove it. Leave a like if you found this useful.